Hi, my name is Randi Field. I'm a professional MMA fighter as well as a registered massage therapist. I'm from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. I'm here to get my hand rejuvenated. I don't know if you can see it, but I've developed severe arthritis in my hand, and back in Canada, they told me that the only options for me were to get a joint replacement, or I could get all my nerves cut so that I just don't feel the pain anymore, which for me, I'm only 36 years old, so I definitely want to try stem cells and see if we could get a different approach at this injury. I think my shoulder and my elbow is just from the repetitive motion of massaging and fighting and everything. So over time, I've developed arthritis in there. I am so excited because this is my second time getting stem cells, and I am so happy with the results last time that I can't wait for the results this time and to be able to hopefully get back out there and doing what I love. I'm thinking about getting back in the ring. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I've been hit up by dirty boxing, so I think I'm gonna go with dirty boxing. I've heard so many great things about R3. My head coach found R3 via social media, and then we did our research, and just all the referrals and everything that everybody said about R3 has been great. And then coming here, seeing how you guys treat us, I'm so happy we chose R3. I just want to say that R3 is amazing. Since we've been here, we've been offered avocado toast. We've been offered sandwiches. We've been offered so many good things. I just want to thank the whole staff here and everybody here.